Have you ever wished for a personal assistant? Someone to handle the flood of emails, manage your tasks, and just take care of the repetitive digital chores that drain your day. For most people, this is a dream, but today, we're going to make that fantasy a reality using AI agents. My goal is to show you how you can build your very own digital assistant without writing a single line of code. So, let's break this down. First, it's essential to understand what an AI agent truly is. Forget the complex definitions. Think of an AI agent as a digital employee you can hire and train. It's an intelligent bot that can understand your goals, perceive its digital environment, make decisions, and perform multi-step tasks entirely on your behalf. The power behind these agents lies in three key components: the trigger, the logic, and the action. The trigger is the starting pistol. It's the event that wakes your agent up and tells it to get to work. A trigger could be a new email arriving in your inbox, a customer submitting a form on your website, or even a specific time of day, like 9 a.m. every Monday. Next, and most importantly, is the logic. This is the agent's brain. Once triggered, the agent uses artificial intelligence, similar to the technology in ChatGPT, to analyze the situation and decide what to do. You provide this logic with instructions in plain English, called a prompt. You might tell it, read this customer feedback. Is the sentiment positive or negative? Summarize the main point in one sentence. This is where the thinking happens. Finally, there is the action. This is the task your agent actually performs after it has made a decision. Based on your instructions, an action could be anything from drafting a personalized email reply to updating a spreadsheet, creating a task in your project management tool, or sending a summary to your team on Slack. So the flow is simple: trigger, right pointing arrow, logic, right pointing arrow, action. Now, let's build a simple but powerful agent together. We will create the Smart Email Sorter. This agent's goal is to sort incoming customer inquiries automatically, freeing you up to focus on the most critical issues. Step 1. Set the trigger. On a no-code platform like Zapier or Make.com, we'll start by connecting your Gmail account. We will set the trigger to new email received in the support inbox. That's the starting pistol. Step 2. Add the logic. This is where we add the AI brain. We'll add a step that connects to an AI model and give it a clear prompt. For example, you are an expert support analyst. Read the following email. First, categorize it as either technical issue, billing question, or sales inquiry. Second, extract the customer's name and email address. Third, write a concise one-sentence summary of their request. Step 3. Define the action. Finally, we tell the agent what to do with that information. We connect our Trello account and set up the action. Create a new card on our support board. Use the category from the AI to place the card in the correct list. Set the card's title as the customer's name, and put the AI's summary in the card's description. That's it. With those 3 steps, you've built an autonomous AI agent. Now, every support email is read, understood, categorized, and filed automatically, while you focus on the tasks that truly require your expertise. Before you start building, keep these expert tips in mind. First, start small. Don't try to automate your entire business on day one. Pick one simple, repetitive task and build from there. Success with small tasks will build your confidence for more complex ones. Second, be precise. Your agent is only as smart as your instructions. Clear, specific, and detailed prompts will give you far better results. And third, test and monitor. Watch your agent's first few runs to ensure it's behaving exactly as you intended. Think of it as supervising a new employee during their first week. The possibilities from here are truly endless. You can build agents that conduct research for you by browsing websites, agents that monitor social media for mentions of your brand and draft replies, or agents that manage your calendar by reading meeting request emails. So here is your call to action. Think about your daily routine. Identify just one repetitive digital task that wastes your time. Once you have it, mentally outline the trigger, the logic, and the action it would take to automate it. Your challenge this week is to go to a no-code automation platform, many have free plans, and build that first simple AI agent. Take back a piece of your day and start your journey as an architect of your own automated workforce. Thank you for watching, and good luck creating your first digital assistant.